Here's 5 property mistakes that I've made over the last 15 years investing in property. Mistake number 2 is relating to our service accommodation business. If you are getting into doing service accommodation or you're thinking about setting it up, one thing you need to consider is the VAT. If you've got 4 properties and they're all turning over £2,000 a month, that's quickly going to go over the VAT threshold, which is around about £85,000. That then means that you will have to add on the VAT to your nightly bookings on Airbnb and Booking.com, which then means that you're going to be basically charging 20% more than your competition. So that is something that you need to consider when you're doing service accommodation. How many units do you want, and whereabouts do you place those units in terms of which companies? If you're going to set up multiple companies, you will be able to stay under the £85,000 VAT threshold. However, you need to be really creative in terms of the directors that are on there and who's got significant control. Obviously, if you're going to do this, speak to an accountant that understands the service accommodation model and potentially use a holding company or a management company to collect the rents in the first instance and then move them down into the individual companies to ensure that each of those is staying under the VAT threshold.